Hello everyone and welcome back to Tech Idea. Here we make tutorials on topics that might be helpful to you in one way or the other. And today, I'm here to talk about Mad City Chapter 2. So, Chapter 2 is out. And in order to play Mad City Chapter 2, all you gotta do is type in Mad City. And that's about it. Just type in Mad City. And this should, 2xRP. Yeah, this should be the one. Yeah. That's the first one you should get. After this opens up, all you want to do is press and then open Roblox, and that should open up Mad City Chapter 2. And yes, it is back and it is Chapter 2. It's not Chapter 1. And yeah, if you're excited to play this game, just head over to Roblox. Over here, you can also choose what type you want to be, a police, hero, prisoner. Now, I'm just gonna go as a hero because I love Boku no Hero Academia. And you can see there's the Season 1 rewards. You can buy the Season 1 Battle Pass, obviously. And over here, as you can see, we are right here. Now, obviously, we can choose our superpower. Become Hot Rod, become Inferno, become Frostbite. Now, obviously, I love Flash, so I'm just gonna become Hot Rod, because why not? And that's about it. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please drop a like, and if you want to see more videos like this in the future, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, as well as that notification bell. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye!